West Coast Watercraft Club presents Riding the Old Sacramento River. Please like and subscribe to my channel. 8 seasoned jet ski adventure riders left Orwood Resort in Orwood, California for their adventure through the Old Sacramento River. Upon arriving, we were diverted to a launch ramp where a worker for the dam that took us out of the water and transferred us to the other side of the dam. We continued our trip with smooth, glassy waters towards the Sacramento River.